So you can see, guys, we are running a massive profit, 1.7, and as you can see here, I wanna explain why I've entered this trade. But for this one, the video is already there on my channel, guys. But for this one, as you can see, I've entered the trade just right here, exactly with stop loss a bit about there because I was a bit afraid of something. And as you can see, on a 30-minute time frame, it looks beautiful. It looks exactly just like this. Let's see if it's gonna load up, guys, and I'm gonna explain everything, why I've entered the trades and what analysis I took that give me this type of entry, guys. As you can see, the first thing I did was here. The first thing I did was uh, this double top here, guys. It's not really the double top, but you can see it's really just there. And so you can see the other candlestick that really gave me a nice entry is this a long candlestick here, which was very long. I think that was some good move. And then the next candlestick was a bit smaller and a bearish candlestick, and on the retest that was made on this supply here. This supply here is a supply here, guys, and the retest was just made by this video was just made by this candlestick and a doji candlestick here, then I ran down. Then I've just ended a bit late after a pullback of this candlestick, then I've ended, and my take profit will be just somewhere down here. But anyways, I see the market slowing down a little bit, and I'm just good to go. As you can see, we are running in massive profits, and you wanna see these guys. And another thing that I've realized that gave me a very nice entry is also something like, let me go. I think I've seen it on a quite a bigger time frame, probably an hour time frame. So you can see, guys, if I can pull down my awesome oscillator, as you can see, there's a divergence here, and as you can see, I love trading divergence, and that divergence was probably seen like this. As you can see, the market here. So yes, the market was making this high and high, and here on awesome escalator, the market didn't made any high. The market instead fell down, making new lower lows, and that's what gave me the second entry. And then that's how I made this amount of money, 1.7 thousand in just a few minutes. You can just count here, guys. We just made it about an hour, and it's so cool. As you can see, our account is growing. And you can see today we made a profit of 3,000, excluding the running trades. And you can see today we have two losses. You can see we trade beautiful here, guys. Two losses in all these type of trades, and so far we are great, guys. And this one, I made a video on this. Probably I'm gonna put the link down in the video description. I made a video for this also, how I've been under this trade. And you can see the other ones that I just take the profits here. This one here, which were on the same trade, and this one I was just holding it for a reason of holding, doesn't really matter. So you can see, guys, let's just probably take our profit and just go and buy yourself something. Thank you guys for watching one of my videos. Make sure that to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and see you again on the next forex trading strategy video.